Good morning. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam rightly stated, teaching is a very noble job which can shape the character, caliber, and the future of an individual. The 5th of September, recognized as Teachers' Day as it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. But it is so much more than just that. For centuries, our land has always regarded its teachers as the most noble and honored members of the society. A guru is a person who enlightens the path for a student and shows him the way to a successful future. Sadly, though, a teacher nowadays isn't given as much respect and prestige as they once got. Being a teacher is one of the most impactful professions one can do to help the country from its very roots. A teacher helps a person become respectful and a civilized member of the community. A teacher gives care, compassion, and respect to a student, which not only helps him to grow into a well mannered individual but also teaches him to respect and care for others. This is a day wherein the student can give back to the Guru. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to everything you all have done for our students to ensure us a bright and successful future. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers who have, in the last 10 years, helped me develop my character, my skills, my personality, my talents, and also blessed us with knowledge, values, and principles and morals. I'm so grateful, and today, as I celebrate my last Teachers' Day at Callum High, sadly, I've written a very short poem for all of them, and I would like to share it with you all. So, here it goes. Thank you, teachers. Thank you to all the teachers who make our life bright and fill it with knowledgeable and educational light. To the teachers who care for us like mothers at school and also pull our ears when we act a bit too cool. To the teachers who want us to study and enjoy this golden era. To the ones who make us learn and represent Goddess Hera. To the teachers who enrich us with rich values and principles. To the ones who build our character and make us strong and invincible. To the teachers who make school fun along with our friends and classmates, to the ones who help us progress at a very fast and swift rate. At Callum, we're blessed to have such skillful teachers who will never miss to acknowledge any student's unique feature. Thank you for finding our capabilities and abilities and always entrusting us with the apt and best responsibilities. I am so grateful and so blessed to study in a school like Callum High with the best of teachers who have always supported me, stayed by our side, and given us the appropriate attention that we require to grow. Thank you so much.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers here at Callum High who have helped us shape our future and make it brighter. Albert Einstein once said, and I quote, that it is the supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Happy Teachers' Day to all you wonderful teachers out there that make our lives 100 times better. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that has helped us grow, learn, and inspire every day. I would also like to thank you for teaching us the difference between right and wrong, for teaching us how to respect, for helping us enjoy while we learn, and more importantly, going out of your way every day just to help us. Thank you for changing this building into our home and our school into our family. We wouldn't be where we are today if it wasn't for all of you. Thank you for everything.
Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers at Callum High School. I would love to thank you all, and I would like to say that I feel blessed to have you in my life. You've given me confidence, support, and so much of knowledge. Like today, whoever I am, or the better version of me, is all because of you and your efforts. I wish that this year with us goes the best and you enjoy the fullest teaching us. Thank you.
Hello to all the teachers of Callum High High, we wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for being so hardworking and passionate about studies. We appreciate all of you so much. You truly make Callum High School a happy school. Without you, we wouldn't have any memories in our classroom, and without you, we wouldn't have the knowledge that we have today. Thank you for bringing us up to where we are. I personally have been in this school since 11 years, and these 11 years have been so joyful for me, and I have cherished each and every day in the school of these 11 years. Thank you for teaching me so many life lessons, so many valuable lessons, which I will keep in mind even after I leave school. We love you all so much. Stay safe and take care. A very happy Teachers' Day again.
Good morning. An oasis in the desert, a beacon in the dark, our teachers. Let us all take a moment to appreciate everything that the teachers have done for us on this Teachers' Day. By this point, we all know why a Teachers' Day is celebrated. But this Teachers' Day is unlike any others. We have all seen our teachers work extremely hard to make our online teaching experience fun and jolly. The world might have stopped right in its tracks during the pandemic, but education always continues. Let us not only respect our teachers on the Teachers' Day but every other day as they help us through every step of our life. By saying this, I would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day.